Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be covering the Air Jordan 11 Retro Cool Grays. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks, as well as our amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about a sneaker that has not been retroed in over a decade. Just a little bit about my story today and picking these up in store. It was insane, to say the least. JD Sports did not have their shit together. Excuse my language. It was like training day. So the line for sure reflected that. Foot Locker didn't want their door being blocked, so they decided to split the line into two lines, and then people were cutting into another line that was then getting put in front of the other line, and there was only one guy at the front that was manning it, so it was just a madhouse. It took about 2 hours to actually get these. I saw people just wheeling and dealing outside, scalpers out there trying to buy the cool grays for $2.98 in cash. I saw a van that was filled with cool grays. They would nonchalantly come out, pop out, and sell it to some random person who would appear out of nowhere. And one guy actually got caught. So it is illegal to sell on the streets of New York, especially when you do not have a permit. This cop was actually hiding out behind this little stationary box. I saw him. I don't think the seller and the buyer actually saw what was happening, but he was waiting for that transaction to take place. And as soon as it took place, he hopped out and nabbed the guy and told him to come with him. So, c'est la vie. I hope they didn't confiscate your like 20 cool grays that you had in that basket you were rolling. But today, to say the least, these were a very difficult shoe. Even though there were over 1 million made and released today, this seemed like it was a very limited shoe. I think people have just been waiting years and years and years for this to re-release. So here we have it. The cool gray Air Jordan 11 Retros right in front of us. I earned this shoe today. I don't know how long you feel it would take for you to just leave a line, but it was definitely a little over 2 hours picking these bad boys up. So definitely feel so much grateful to have these in hand with me right now. Luckily it wasn't raining and it wasn't super cold outside, but definitely was manageable. All right, so for those of you who have not seen my past 10 sneakers that is part of the Christmas countdown, be sure to go back, check that out. And for a reminder of the shoes, we are gonna go through and check them out, but I'm just gonna open my day 11 advent calendar. Another cute little Yoda there with some snow. Isn't he so adorable? So 11 days into the month of December. We are almost to Christmas, folks, almost halfway there. So let's go through the shoes that we've done. Whew, here we go. Cool gray 11, Sakai Nike Wobble, Sakai Cause Blazers, Carpet Company SBs, New Balance Lay Banbury's, Faded Azure Yeezys, New Balance 993s by Amélie Andor, Armand Air Ones, Off-White Air Max 90s, Sakai Blazers, and a pair of Off-White Prestos. Go check all those videos out, every single one of them. All right, so let's jump right into it. We're going to be talking about the overview on the lovely cool gray colorway. Then we're going to jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this color. I love me some gray, so you guys know I love adding gray to a lot of my look.
I only work in black. and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So that is definitely going to be in the styling section. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market, which is pretty crazy right now. So let's jump right into this overview. This is a very simplistic color palette, but I absolutely am in love with this shoe. I love the dark charcoal gray patent leather that we have on the toe box. You can already see some of that icy outsole popping on the front of the toe box. As well as we work our way up, we have that Durabuck on the upper, again in that nice cool gray color scheme. We have simple white laces, which I love. I think it just keeps it nice and simplistic and really pops off of that nice neutral gray. We do have the embroidered Jumpman logo and Jordan logo on the inside there in that charcoal gray, and the Jumpman is in the white. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we are wrapping around with that charcoal gray patent leather, more of this Durabuck that wraps around and is quite smooth, very nice. Then we've got the embroidered Jumpman logo on the side here in white, really popping off of that nice light cool gray. We have a dark gray insole with a white Jumpman on the inside, and then the shoe is completed with a white midsole and a nice crisp icy outsole. This is the adult version for those of you wondering. I usually like to get the grade school just because there are some quality issues here and there, but this is the adult pair for those of you who are wondering. We've got a nice cool gray box, all in this cool gray color scheme with hits of that dark charcoal gray on the Jordan and a white Jumpman logo. That'll complete this shoe, so let's look at those details. All right, so moving on to size and fit, I am a true 7.5 in men's sizing, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. I would say definitely stick true to size on this one. If you do have high arch narrow feet like myself, definitely go in the direction that I went in. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could also differentiate a size that may work better for you, since we do have completely opposite feet shapes. All right, now let's talk about styling. Again, this is just such a beautiful color scheme. I'm obsessed with this, and I see why this is one of the most popular colors. This was definitely one of the first non-OG colors to have been released. This was first released in 2001 and then brought back and retroed in 2010. We haven't seen it since then. We have seen the cool gray colorway on the Jordan 3, which I have a video up on that, so be sure to go and check that out if you have not already. But it has been a minute since we've seen it on the 11 and the high. This was also retroed actually in 2019 in the low version, but I think we have all been waiting for it to retro back in the high version. So it is nice to have this in hand and to see it. It is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. So for the first look, I decided to rock this with an all gray look. I wore some pleated nice trouser pants with a matching button down top, and then I paired that with a nice just simple quilted puffer vest. I think an all gray look really just makes this pop. I mean, it's a monochromatic look. You can't go wrong with all gray. What can I say?
I don't have trouble keeping days full. I don't want to sell 5, get 2. Always on time when the rent's due. I don't want to grind just to get through. Trying to spend mine like a bitch. Minutes are riches off clock when I'm coming on. Profit is labor unpaid. Feeling infinite, I'm in it all summer long. Natural ways, casual fit. 5-pocket Levi's, Adidas for kicks. 3-pack of black tees, easier hits. See me with her and they seem unconvinced. How do you do that? Well, it's all in the hips. I take my time for feeling finesse. She feel alive.
For the second look, I wore a cashmere turtleneck with matching pants, and then I layered that with a nice light blue button-down jacket. This pop of blue really just stands out with this gray color scheme, so I really wanted to bring this blue out in the look with that button-down top.
She feel alive, she don't wanna feel less. We stand in line, she rubbing my neck. I don't like lines cause I wanna be next. Even on a minimum, I innovate. I can fit a lot in a long day. Put me on a minute, let me demonstrate. I only keep time when the song plays. I don't got enough time to get it off of my mind. Get it off when I'm all in, so fake, focus in line. In and out, I feel new. I know how to get loose. Slipping out of these shoes, these old.
For the last look, I decided to wear some wide leg navy pants. I think navy is a great colorway to go with the color options that you see in this shoe. For the top, I wore a denim vest over a just simple gray hoodie, and then I layered that with a gray blazer. I think that just light grays, dark grays, whatever gray you do decide to rock with this, I think they all just look amazing all together when you see it all in one look.
Grown man and I'm getting bigger. Been so right. Sleep all day, but it takes all night. Spend my week, I spend my life. I don't want breaks, I wanna take flight. I don't want money, I wanna be free. Gotta make money, I'm gonna be me. Gonna be bald and evolved and elite. Follow my calling along with the beat. Yeah, I'm made right slow, but I'm made right so I stay independent. I know any place I go, in my state's my home, I said in a minute. Capital worries, capital dreams.
Definitely let me know what was your favorite look out of the 3, or how would you style these shoes?
Moved on, turning the page. New spot, she's burning the sage. If he knocks, she'll turn him away. Said he's never begged, well he's learning today. That's it. Been living with less than a bit. Off a wish to make the wrong thing fit, but it's hard head stick and the stars don't mix and his heart don't tick like hers so quick when it fills up. Or when it's real, she a real one. Yeah, had a deal, now the deal's done. Time to get a feel for the apps, got a peel and a tattoo sick. Get jitters like a rookie again. Innocent, with a veteran lens, let him in. Inspect what the evidence is, give respect for the effort, let the betterment win. Love, it's your day to start over. The moves are yours to make. It's okay. Get your new tattoo, your new tattoo. She glows in Fremo, feels primo. She beats her OGs with sequels. Lethal, her look, but she's sweet though. She sings so shots like they're free throws. Whoa, make them by the knuckle when she dance slow. She don't really do it for their benefit. She can make them fall with a glance though. Stay independent, saying thanks for the sentiment. Hit the switch and she's gone. Been too long since she got to get down with the girls, do a song. Took till now, but she found what she lacked and she laughs cause the girl made the last too strong. It's a goal to get lit, she floats when it hits. Been a minute now, she knows she missed this and told us this. I'm not limited by anyone, already got my tattoo pick.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed for $225 and they are currently going between $300 to $400, and they are doing very well. These are selling several pairs per minute on all platforms, so this is definitely a very, very popular silhouette that I think people are wanting to purchase for their holiday gift. So definitely, if you see a good price point, snag a pair, because I do seeing this price point going up since this is such a popular colorway and silhouette. All right, that's it for this unboxing. Thanks so much for everybody who's tuned in. If you are new here today, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also check out that join button as well as our merch store. For those of you who will be at Got Soul tomorrow, I will see you there. I'm going to be creating some fun content, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you have your notifications turned on if you're interested in seeing all the different shoes that I spot out at Got Soul, and check out how much money is being spent there. That's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next episode.
And put those presents beneath the tree, 'cause baby, it's that time of year again.